Did you know that cats have over 100 distinct vocalizations, while dogs only have about 10? This fun fact highlights how much more versatile cats are in communication, just like you can be by leveraging AI for faceless content creation. Imagine tapping into the pet niche, specifically focusing on cat care tips or training techniques, and using AI tools to generate engaging scripts and visuals. Platforms like YouTube Shorts or TikTok can be your playground, where you create short, informative videos showcasing these unique cat behaviors. Now, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Building a faceless channel takes time. Think months, not days. But with consistent content, you can start seeing analytics that reflect your growing audience and income potential. Follow for the exact systems I use to build faceless channels. No face, no following, no filming.